The same challenges police all over the country are facing. And definitely the government, both the federal government and state government, are doing their best. They're doing their best to eliminate these challenges. The vision and the idea of a community policing being as developed by the present Inspector General of Police is excellent. There's no way you can tackle the problem of security by doing it all alone. So the idea of community policing is to take back policing to the people. You take policing back to the people so that they become stakeholders, they participate in policing the community. And it has been one of the best strategies ever developed in policing in Nigeria. Operation Paw Father is the operating outfit developed also by the present Inspector General of Police. It is the outfit that is in the field fighting crime and criminality, and have been recording a lot of successes as the OC Paw Father in this state. We've been getting massive cooperation from the people. They've been volunteering credible information to us. They have been assisting us in all areas we require their assistance. The people are police friendly. They are willing to cooperate with the police in the area of giving us useful information and participating with us in the area of community policing. The Ijaw Youth Council election was conducted peacefully. Peacefully. There were no security breaches, no violence of any sort, and people remarked that this is the first time such election is being carried out without violence. That election was peacefully conducted last Saturday, and winners emerged. There were no complaints, no agitations, no fighting of any sort. That was a great achievement that the people were proud of. Then, recently we also secured the release of a kidnapped retired permanent secretary. We adopted strategies. We made a very important arrest in connection with the kidnap. And that arrest we made happened to put pressure on the hoodlums. That kidnap put pressure on the kidnappers. It mounted great pressure on them that they had no option than to release the retired permanent secretary 2 days ago. That was a great achievement during the period, carried out also by Operation Paw Father under my strict supervision. With the strategies we are developing, with the efforts the policemen in the command are putting in place, we can assure them that they will sleep comfortably with their 2 eyes closed. We assure them that people can come into Bayelsa State to do their lawful business. Investors are encouraged to come into Bayelsa State and do their business and carry out their lawful investments. We will strive to achieve and to make sure that Bayelsa State becomes one of the safest states in Nigeria.
The job of security in Imo State has been tasking, but with the cooperation of officers and men of the command, it has been made easy. The officers and men have put in their best in order to bring down crime in the state, because when I came in, though it was relatively peaceful, but then we have some of these kidnappings here and there. But when I came in, there were two major breakthroughs that were made by the command in area of arrest of kidnappers, and that really made the issue of kidnapping to come down. And of course, also the case of armed robbery has not been rampant in the state. We have also been able to stem down this herdsmen and farmers dispute. Community policing in this state has gone a little bit far, because you recall that when the Inspector General of Police first brought this idea of community policing, he challenged the commands to set up the advisory committee, and after it was launched at the federal level, he challenged the command to set up the advisory committee at the state level, and to set up committees at different levels, such as the state level, the area command level, and divisional level. I'm glad to inform you that in Imo State, we have set up at all these levels, and we have even gone further, because there was a directive that we should send names of those that should be recruited, for training for this community policing. Imo State is one of those commands that have sent forth the names of those that should be trained, in this area of community policing. The cooperation from the community, from members of the community, is fantastic, and that one has really helped us in the area of cracking these heinous crimes. Even this morning, before I came to the office, I received a vital information in connection with cases of kidnapping that the command has handled in the past, and the one that we're handling presently. And of course, the information that are given are being utilized in order to get to the root cause of the issue, which is kidnapping. And we have arrested in the past a lot of kidnappers. When men are involved in special duty and these are given to them, we always use that one to encourage them, like the COVID-19 duty. Yes, of course. Apart from the fact that the state government paid, the police also they have requested, for the accounts of men, and very soon they will be paid too. So in the area of welfare, the men are being taken care of.